It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about sundial growers, the ticker symbol for this stock, of course, SNDL. We're going to take a look here at the Motley Fool. I know that a lot of people don't like the Motley Fool because their articles could sort of be conflicting, but the reason being for that is that they have many different contributors. Some are for certain stocks and cryptos, and others are against. What I like about the Motley Fool is that you get different perspectives and different opinions. That's what I'm bringing here with my videos. We're not always going to talk about everything that's positive and everything that's negative, because the reality is that that isn't real. That's not reality. So let's take a look here, as I'm not going to read the entire article, but here are some key points. Sundial has committed roughly $430 million to its joint venture with SAF Group, focusing on investing in vertically integrated cannabis companies. The company's big bet on this joint venture was made on the heels of its own successful investments. While Sundial's bet could pay off, there are some key challenges. And of course, like every company, sundial growers will definitely have challenges that they have presented going forward. Not every company is going to have roses and just success. There are going to be bumps on the road. That's just how it is. Behind Sundial's $430 million bet. Why did Sundial and SAF Group team up? They saw an opportunity to generate solid returns by building a portfolio of debt, equity, and hybrid investments in the cannabis industry. The companies formed their joint venture named Sumstream to capitalize on this opportunity. So people, this is the main gist of it. They are here because they saw an opportunity to generate solid returns. If they did not believe that they would generate solid returns, you better believe that this whole thing would not have happened with SAF. So these people are in it for the long haul. They're in it for the victory. You best believe that they didn't have a venture to join up and team up to take an L and lose. These people are trying to win, and at the end of the day, that is what they see. The victory is ahead for them. But as I said, there will be speed bumps. There will be bumps on the road. That's how it goes. That's how it rolls. Two glaring drawbacks. The most glaring drawback to Sundial's investment strategy is that the company has had to raise its cash, the cash used in investing, by issuing new shares and warrants. This has caused dilution in the value of Sundial's existing shares. How problematic is this dilution? While Sundial's market cap has nearly quadrupled so far this year, its share price has risen by less than 1/3 of that percentage increase. So basically, the shares are diluted because as much as the company has been doing well and they have been successful, the share price has not risen as people would expect, if you will. But that is because they're taking their own money and investing it in the company. So down the road, what's basically happening in all reality is that sundial growers is betting on themselves. You have to admire that from a country. You have to admire that from a company, and you just have to look at it as a big time win if they pull this off, because they're not really banking on anybody else. They're betting on themselves. And a lot of the most successful companies and people, you better believe that they did indeed bet on themselves. Let's take a look here at the price for SNDL. Just a quick disclaimer though, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. So sundial growers finished the day basically down 1%. It's currently sitting at 81 cents. They went down 0.6%, and in the after hours market so far it is down 0.47%. So it's down about 1 percentage point. And as I have said before, Sndl under $1 is a good pickup. How long can Sndl continue like this? The reality is that Sndl can indeed go down just a bit. We all know that. Sndl could be in that 70-ish cent territory. That's the reality of it. But at 70-ish type cents, if you can ride that wave back up to 90 cents or even $1, that is big time massive profit. Think about this stock like this. For $10, you could probably get what? 11 shares of Sundial Growers? 12 shares maybe? That's a pretty good bet. So at the end of the day, you just have to think about entry points and exit points. And of course, for the long-term investor, there is nothing to worry about. It's just a momentum and a price swing. They don't care about that. They do not care about short-term price swings. Long-term investors are here for the long way, the long haul. They're into it till the end. That's how it goes because they firmly believe in the company. That's what it is. Let me know what you guys think about Sundial Growers as it correlates to the price, movements, anything Sndl. Make sure you give the channel a big thumbs up so that we could move the YouTube algorithm and have it seen for more eyes. If you don't like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs down. It's all good. It's a free country. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you can stay notified and up to date and informed. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.